The John Deere H219 head is a robust forestry tool designed for efficient timber harvesting. It's equipped with powerful feed motors that adjust to the size of the tree, ensuring smooth processing of both straight and crooked timber. The H219 features efficient delimbing capabilities. Even with large diameter trees, its robust construction and versatile applications, including final felling and eucalyptus debarking, make it a valuable asset. For forestry professionals, the John Deere H219 harvester head is a high-performance forestry tool designed for efficient timber harvesting. It features powerful feed motors and robust construction. The Ponsse H7 harvester head weighs 1,150 kg without the rotator and link. It features 4 front delimbing knives with a maximum opening of 640 mm and 1 rear knife with a maximum opening of 750 mm. The head requires a maximum operating pressure of 28 megapascal and a recommended pump capacity of 320 liters per minute. These specifications highlight the Ponsse H7's robust design and powerful performance, enabling efficient handling of various tree sizes in demanding forestry conditions. The FEI RCU 120 is a compact and powerful, remote-controlled tracked carrier equipped with a 120 horsepower Kohler engine. Its robust undercarriage, featuring high-profile rubber tracks, allows for operation on steep slopes. In up to 55 degrees, the RCU 120 dual hydraulic system and wireless remote control with a 4.3-inch display ensure efficient and safe operation. This versatile carrier can be equipped with various attachments such as forestry mulchers, stump cutters, and stone crushers, making it suitable for a wide range of applications including land clearing, road building. The STIHL MS881 is a powerful professional chainsaw equipped with a 121.6cc 2-mix engine, delivering 8.6 horsepower, weighing in at 9.9 kilograms. This chainsaw is designed for demanding forestry tasks, such as felling large trees and heavy-duty timber processing. It features a robust design, low vibration technology, and user-friendly features like a decompression valve and elastostart for easy starting. The MS881 is available with various bar lengths 105 cm to suit different applications. The STIHL MS881 is renowned for its exceptional power and durability. The Husqvarna 545 Mark is a gasoline-powered chainsaw with a 50.1 cubic centimeter displacement and a power output of 2.7 kW. It features a recoil start system with smart start for easy ignition and is equipped with low V technology to reduce vibrations. The 545 Mark also includes air injection for cleaner air and a longer filter life, a primer pump, and a chain brake for added safety. It has a fuel tank capacity of 0.32 liters and an oil tank capacity of 0.32 liters. The Husqvarna 545 Mark is a powerful chainsaw with a 50.1 cc engine. The ROTTNE H21 is a powerful forwarder equipped with a 227 kW John Deere engine and a hydrostatic mechanical transmission. It boasts a 13.61-meter length, 3-meter width, and 3.668-meter height, providing ample space and stability. The forwarder features a ROTTNE RK250 crane with a maximum horizontal reach of 11 meters and a boom, lifting torque of 230 Nm, ensuring efficient timber handling. A load-sensing hydraulic system with double pumps enhances performance, while a 24-volt electrical system with CAN bus technology facilitates advanced machine control. The spacious and comfortable cab offers excellent visibility. The Tigercat C640 is a powerful skidder designed for efficient timber harvesting. In challenging environments, it is equipped with a Tier 4F compliant FPTN 67 engine that delivers 262 horsepower. The C640 features a spacious and comfortable cab with excellent visibility, ensuring operator comfort and productivity. The skidder is equipped with a high-capacity clam grapple and a powerful winch, enabling it to handle large loads over long distances. Its 6-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability. Even in challenging terrain, the C640 also incorporates advanced features, such as a load-sensing hydraulic system and a sophisticated electronic control system.